Another application template which we are going to see in the 7UT is for the motor protection. We usually use the 7UT for transformer, but it can be used for the motor protection as well. If, for instance, we have this relay and we wanted to use this for motor protection, we can configure the motor protection functions inside this relay, because the differential protection for the motor protection also is available, and the other functions, but some functions are paid and we have to pay for that. And here we can see some of them. For instance, the directional overcurrent and over voltage, under voltage, and also over frequency, under frequency, unbalanced load, and CBF, and we have to pay for that, for these functions. So we have, once we want to use this as a motor protection, we have to see whether the function point is sufficient for this purpose or not. Okay, now let's see the configuration, how to configure this relay, the structure of the relay for the motor protection. Here we can see the 6 kV feeder and breaker, CT, and also motor and CT in the natural side. As you can see, 2 CTs, the same ratio, and 3 phase. We have to connect to the relay with these 2 measuring points. Another measuring points for the voltage connection. Yes, here it is very good that it is showing the open delta connection as well. So this PT, we have to configure the 3 phase VA, VB, VC, and also open delta connection. Open delta connection for 59N, that can be used for 59N. And here we can see it is connected to these measuring points, to this function group motor side 2. Okay, another functions which are available. First we have to add the function group for these function groups for side 1, side 2, motor diff, and circuit breaker. We have one CB and one circuit breaker is okay. And the function for the side 1 and side 2, here we can see the thermal overload, overcurrent, and over voltage, under voltage, over frequency, under frequency, and also overcurrent available in this side, the diff protection 87M or motor differential protection, and the CBF in the circuit breaker. Okay, this was about this application template, and let's see the configuration. We have to add the side 1, side 2, motor differential, circuit breaker, and then we have to add functions into this